I know times are hard, but make sure you eat healthy, drink enough water, and mind your business, okay?
Don't limit me. I'm building the future right from this desk. I may be small, but my dreams are huge. Watch me turn on my imagination into innovation. Genius loading. Please wait. I'm not human, I'm an AI. Miss Victoria will show you how to turn your images into talking videos. Just watch this video to learn how. You know what? It is 100% free.
Without wasting time, let's get right into the tutorial. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you need any prompt, let me know in the comment section. I'll send it to you.
For you to be able to achieve this, come over to your Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Grog. Once you search for Grog, go ahead to install it to your phone. You can see mine is already open because I had already installed to my phone. Once you install Grog to your phone, the next step you need to take is for you to come over to ChatGPT to get your prompts. Now we are going to do this together. I'm going to take you through on how to get your prompts. For us to achieve this, I'm just going to go ahead to type, I need a prompt to generate an image of an handsome Black American young man in his late 20s. So here is the prompt I'm giving ChatGPT to come up with the image prompt for me. So I'm just going to send. Let me wait for it to come up with the prompts. You can see here is the prompt that ChatGPT is giving me. A handsome Black American young man in his late 20s, sitting confidently in a sleek modern office. He is well dressed in a tailored suit, looking put together and professional. So here is the prompt so far. So what I have to do is for me to come down here to copy the prompt. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, and then after you copy your prompt, if by any means you need this prompt, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to send you the prompts in the comment section. Okay, so let's go over to Grog. So once you open your Grog, this is how the interface is going to look like. Yes, once you sign up to your Grog, then what you have to do is for you to come over to where you see imaging. Click on imaging. Then these are some of my projects so far. So come over to where you see type to imaging. Type to imaging. Click on it and then go ahead. You just have to go ahead to paste the prompt which we generated from ChatGPT. So I'm going to click down here. You see this arrow that faces upward. Go ahead to click to send the prompt. Then wait for it to generate. Yeah, it doesn't really take time, especially if you have fast internet connection. It doesn't take time. So let's wait to see the result. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely amazing. Let's see all the results. You can see this, right? This is extremely amazing. So you first and foremost, you get the images. You can see here is the image of the prompts. And what I love so far about Grog is that it is how fast it is, one, and secondly, they try to give you several images for you to make a choice. Yes, you can see as you scroll down, you see them, you see others coming up. As you scroll down, you see them coming up. So I love Grog. This is one thing I really love about Grog. They really try. They are very, very generous in their images. So what you have to do, if for instance, if you want to download this image, just come over here, click on the image, and then click this drop down arrow here to download. You can see that download started. So you just have to, you see download completed. You've gotten your image. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to make our image to talk. So we are just going to make any of these images to talk. So I'm just going to look for the one that best fits my choice, so that we can make it talk. Let's use this one. Yes, let's use this one. Now, here is how to make the image to talk. Come over to where you see make video, click on it, then come over to custom, click on custom. Then once you click on custom, come this point where you see type to customize video. So I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to type, hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? So that is what I want to type. This is what I want. This is what I want this image to say. So I'm just going to go ahead to click this arrow that faces upward to send. Let's see. Let's wait for the result. Let's see the result if it will get it accurately. Let's see. So it doesn't really take time. You can see it's counting. This is what I really love about Grok. They are very, very fast. They are extremely fast. So while we wait for it to count from 1 to 100%, if you haven't given this video a like, please go ahead to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed.
Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future?
Extremely amazing.
Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future?
Extremely amazing.
Hey, listen,
absolutely.
How sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future? Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future?
Wait for it to download.
Job in the future.
Can use another image of your choice.
Hey, listen,
so I'm just going to
how sure are you that AI won't take over your job in the future?
Yes.
Hey, listen, how sure are you that AI won't?
So let me choose this particular image. I want this particular image to say, okay, what should I ask this particular one to say? Okay, let me say, this is the best time to build yourself in case you wake up one morning and realize your job has been taken over by AI. So let me prompt this particular image to say that. Where you see make video, and then come over to where you see custom, and then go ahead to prompt to paste, type to customize video. Okay, so here is what I want this image to say. So I'm just going to click this arrow that faces upward to send. While we wait for it to generate the video, let's see if it will be able to capture that. Yeah, let's wait to see the results. If you haven't liked this video so far, please go ahead to like this video and drop your comment in the comment section. If you need this prompt, tell me in the comment section. I need the prompt. I'm going to send it to you directly. Yes. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed,
This is the best time to build yourself, in case you wake up one morning and realize your job has been taken over by AI. This is the best time to build yourself, in case you wake up one morning and realize your job has been taken over by AI. Time to build yourself, in case you wake up one morning and realize your job has been taken over by AI.
Is how to turn your image to talking video. Yes, it is as simple as that. You can even turn your own image as well to this to make it talk. You can also make your own image to talk. It's for you to come over here. I think in my next video I'm going to show you that, so that this particular video will not be very, very long. I want it to be short and straightforward. Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how to turn your own image to a talking video. Yeah. If you have any question to ask in the comment section, and also do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, because you have a lot to learn about AI in this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.